Alright guys, starting off today's vlog, gonna head out to Stan's work, or Stan's shop, and bullshit with him for a sec, and then go from there. We might be doing a collab today, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. So I'll catch you guys when I am there. Alright, well, so we're gonna go rescue a fucking Honda. This is John, by the way. But we're gonna go rescue a fucking Honda. So yeah, should be interesting. But we should be able to get this.
Do you want to take my car?
I'm down to take you guys. I'm trying to do a fucking clip, Stan. Fucking asshole.
Here, plug my shit in.
Hold on, now I gotta find the fucking Type-C.
And I brought you a fucking Yoo-hoo, so you better be happy, bitch.
I'm happy. I don't like Yoo-hoo.
You don't like Yoo-hoos?
No.
Alright then, you don't need a fucking Yoo-hoo. I'll drink it.
Fuck, you might have to get out so I can find a goddamn Type-C. Alright, update on the fucking Honda for you guys. It is literally sitting here on the side of the fucking road, spewing out fucking oil. Yeah, I'm fucking cutting fucking Stan off with filming, bitch.
Okay, so, here, hold on. Fuck! Okay, hold back in there, keep the clutch in, I'm gonna roll it forward, let's see if it spins over. Or if it even spins. Let it out.
Dude, I called you just in the right fucking nick of time. What's up, bro?
Literally right when you called, I passed it and passed it.
That's why I was like, dude, get the fucking far right.
Yep. Yeah, because over on fucking the highway going towards Valley Fair,
Yeah.
there's a big ass wreck over there.
Hit the e-brake.
Yeah, just get into it and hit the e-brake. Did you just drive by?
You called me right when I was passing.
Ow, fuck.
Okay, so, here, hop out.
Oh, shit.
Or actually, no, don't hop out, because I want to film this.
What, my fat ass trying to get
So
out?
all you got to do is push the clutch in,
Okay.
and then we're going to roll it forward. And then when I say let go, just drop the clutch.
Okay, hold on.
That could be it. Will you put the thing in?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, anybody want some pizza?
Maybe. Hey, want to pull it forward a bit? Stand
Maybe.
with it.
I'm down as fuck.
This fool just got fucking pizza.
Starting it? Yeah. Start.
I'll take a piece.
Yeah.
Fuck it. Fast and Furious down.
Fast and Furious down.
God damn it, I should make a fucking clip right now of me pulling up. Pull it up and have fucking Cameron laying over there. They call a helicopter. How low's the oil?
Empty.
Empty?
You think you could turn around right here, Cameron?
You want me to do what?
Yeah, we ain't getting that shit through there.
Even if my truck made it, your car ain't making that.
You're gonna be ripping the fucker in half.
Yeah,
How's this going, Stan?
as it can be.
Does it hurt you? Because this is your car that's down.
What?
It's the same car as yours.
Yeah, but mine runs. And I put oil in my car. That helps.
Calling shots at John.
No, I'm not calling shots at John. This is only the second or third time that I pulled the dipstick and there's not a drop of oil on it. So it's okay, it's a Honda.
You hear that, John? Put fucking oil. Oh my god. Yeah, literally there was no oil in this. And then fucking all this, I guess, was sprayed with oil. So, yeah, hopefully we can get it started. They went and got oil, so let's pray like hell we can get this shit up and running. So this ain't an update on the car that's down, but this is an update. I just realized there is a fucking dent in my fucking fender, and I don't know if I just noticed that or what, but son of a bitch.
But damn, she be getting dirty already. Fucking goddamn it. I just cleaned this fucking bitch and now she's dirty already. Fuck my life. Well, so me and Stan, we're still sitting out here on the side of the fucking highway. So much for doing shit to the bike, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at that thing right there. Ooh.
Oh. That game. I can slap my hands between those thighs. What's up with that? Huh? No, I'm not talking about those thighs. I'm talking about those thighs. Hey, look at it!
Hey! Hey! They're back. Let's hope this shit works. Keep you guys updated. Well, hopefully this works. Hey, stop vlogging. I'm filming. Stop filming me, bitch.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna see if this thing starts. Oh!
Yeah! That's a rod. Turn it off. You want me to turn that off? Yeah, shut it off. You blew a hole in the block. For real? Yeah.
Where?
It's behind this plate right here. Yeah, dude, there's a fucking big ass hole back there. Oh, dude, please don't tell me my GoPro just died. Oh my god.
I'll send you the clip, it's okay.
That is a big ass hole, John.
Where?
Look at all that. Right behind here. Behind this plate.
So we're towing it.
We're gonna have to.
Let me okay, but is that still good for us?
What do you mean?
Swapping this now.
Oh yeah, dude, this motor's done.
So it's good.
Yeah,
we're still good.
fine. The
Okay,
head's good.
that's all that matters.
The head's good, but the bottom end's fucking
I was gonna
gone.
say, if you want to
So I take it you can't drive it home at all.
No.
you can save money, save fucking money.
Oh fuck.
This thing called me in the middle of rush hour and shit too.
Oh fuck, I'll follow behind you guys. This fucking guy.
At least you fucking did it good. The thing is, I wasn't hard on it. I was just shocked. Yeah, at least you
This fucking guy.
Oh my god.
Honda down, R.I.P.
What are we gonna start swapping today?
Hey, that's film content for you.
I call my boss and like, yo, dude, I need the week off. We don't have the parts. What do you need?
This fucking guy.
All this shit we can use. Top end we're gonna so technically, if you want to, we can call Memo.
Update for you guys. We are now towing this fucking car. So let's see how well this fucking goes. But yeah, I'm gonna try and keep it running. So if anything happens, I got it. So yeah. Well, we are now waiting on fucking... They're taking photos of him up on top of his car fucking blowing up. But we are just waiting now on another homie with actual tow straps, because we're going to try towing this bitch. So let's see how well this thing goes. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated, because this shit's getting fucking insane.
So, we're towing the car home right now. Yeah, it's not going very well. Everyone's pissed at us. And they're driving by, flipping us off. But that's okay, because fuck them. That's why.
Alright guys, so we got the car all hooked in, ready to go now, at the house. So now we're gonna go get a motor for it and a head gasket, hoping we can just replace the head. But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys informed. Craziest vlog yet, I think, so far, but more to come. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But
yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Catch you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so we got, we're here at AutoZone now. Finally got what we needed. Sorry if the lens is smudged. Oh yeah, daddy. Oh yeah. But so yeah, we got the shit going now, so we should be good. But yeah, so like I said, we're at AutoZone picking up a head gasket, and we're gonna go pick up this motor and hopefully get this motor out tonight. To see more footage that I didn't capture, I'm gonna put put Stan's channel at the bottom of the description, or at the top. I don't know, it'll be in the description for Stan's channel. Go over there, show Stan some love, and he also has some footage as well. I'm gonna be giving him some of the footage I got, so that way he has that footage as well. But yeah, so we're almost done with this, but I'll let you guys know what else happens when we get this other motor. So yeah, catch you guys in the next clip.